Hi, this is Jacob from Kleyn Trucks. Today we are going to talk about how to maintain your Kleyn truck. Of course, it's very important to daily check your lights, your hazard lights and the tires. Of course, every Kleyn truck is different, but also very important things are to check the hoses, liquids, to check your brake pads,
and of course the oil.
Before I forget, when you have a small problem with your truck, please repair it right away, because small problems can be big problems in the future. And perhaps it might come of hand to keep up a calendar to know when you had your last check.